This is a short instructional video on how to repair broken cell phone glass with SafeSwipe cell phone glass repair glue. Step 1. Clean the glass with the alcohol prep pad provided. Step 2. Squeeze a small drop on the cracked area. If glue does not come out easily, take a pin and clear the nozzle. Step 3. Wait 15 to 20 seconds, then use the sponge to wipe the glue into the cracks. Step 4. Once you have filled in all the cracks with glue, wipe the excess glue off with a damp paper towel. The idea is to take the excess glue off of the surface glass while leaving glue in the cracks. Step 5. Repeat as necessary. Check the surface for any sharp or rough edges. Severely damaged phones will need multiple coats.
It works!